Friends, today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is in news. All of you know that COVID-19 pandemic or virus firstly detected in China's Wuhan province, but when the whole world was suffering from the with the COVID-19 virus, at the same time China was inventing or performing many dangerous weapons experiments. Such one is, and here today we will discuss about one of them, and that is China's, which is in news. Actually, China secretly test Earth circling nuclear capable hypersonic missile. Okay, so what are hypersonic missile? Actually, hypersonic missiles are somehow at the line with ballistic missiles. Okay, so look at here few detail about hypersonic missile of China. Reports citing multiple sources familiar with test said Beijing in August launched a nuclear capable missile that circled Earth at low Earth orbit before descending towards its target, which three sources said it missed by 20 miles or 32 kilometers. Okay, in low Earth orbit, while completing his target, missile missed by just 32 kilometers. So it's, we can say that almost they have achieved their mission. 32 kilometers is not a very big issue. Okay, and here another point is Financial Times source said hypersonic glide vehicle was carried out by Long March rocket. So this is China's launching rocket. Okay, launches of which it usually announces, though August test was kept under wrap. Okay, and there are many intelligence agencies of different countries like India, Israel and US, and they all were not able to detect about China's this experiment of hypersonic missile. Report added that China's progress on hypersonic weapon caught US intelligence by surprise. Okay, they all know, or you can say this was very surprising for US intelligence and other intelligence agency because they have not any information. Okay, but secretly they all are working to try to get information what other countries are doing, but they was not able to caught. Along with China, United States, Russia and at least 5 other countries are working on hypersonic technology. Hypersonic missiles like traditional ballistic missiles, which I have already told you, which can deliver nuclear weapon, can fly at more than 5 times at the speed of sound. So you have to remember it. Hypersonic missiles can fly at more than 5 times of speed of sound. Okay, but ballistic missiles fly high into space in an arc to reach their target, while a hypersonic flies on a trajectory low in atmosphere. Okay, by looking at altitudinal aspect, to where ballistic missile can fly at high into space, but hypersonic flies or missiles run in trajectory in a low atmosphere. Okay, potentially reaching at a target more quickly. So you have to, it's a very easy. If missile will go at high altitude, then definitely the time it will consume more time, or the missile will run in a low earth orbit or in a lower altitude, they will reach more fastly and quickly. Crucially, a hypersonic missile is maneuver like much slower, often subsonic cruise missile, making it harder to trace and defend against. Okay, so remember it. China has been aggressively developing technology, seeing it as crucial to defend against US gains in hypersonic and other technologies. According to a recent report by US Congressional Research Service, report, the reported tests come as US-China tension have mounted and Beijing has stepped up military activity in their Taiwan self-ruling US-aligned democracy that Beijing considered a province awaiting reunification. Okay, you know very well that such type rivalry between United States and China are going from many decades. It's not new. Okay.